Red Feather from GripHacks. In this Krita video, we will be showing you the best way to familiarize yourself, or rather get to know Krita. Once you download Krita, a natural instinct may be to kick in and you think, let's get started creating, or you may have been using Krita for a while and really never got to know Krita, or you may have used Krita in the past, but a lot may have changed. If we take a few minutes, it is easy to get to know Krita. Once you have your Krita workspace set up the way you think you would like it to be, go to the Krita toolbox, starting with the first tool on the list. This is the selection shape tool. Click on it so it is highlighted. Then go to the tools and options. The tools and options of Krita is where a lot of things take place. Hover over each item here. Do not change anything, but if you do, change it back to its original setting, as this is just to get to know Krita. Once you are done familiarizing yourself with the items in the tools and options, go to the next tool on the list, called the Krita T Text tool. Then go back to the tools and options, viewing what is available for manipulation. Keep in mind that if we had created text, there may or may not be more functions available within Krita tools and options. Keep doing this for each tool in the Krita toolbox and reviewing its available functions. Some will have more than others, so you may need to scroll down to see them all. By doing this, you will have a leg up, sort of. For example, while creating or following one of our or someone else's Krita tutorials, things will fall together much easier. On some of the tools and options of Krita, there are drop-down menus. Go ahead and click on them just to see what they hold. Once you have familiarized yourself with the tools and options of the Krita toolbox, move on to the title bar of Krita. Click on File, view all of the menus, then slide to the right, hovering over Edit. This will expand its menu automatically. Keep doing this to all the menus on the Krita title bar. I would like to point out, by doing this, you are also implanting a subconscious memory of the features of Krita. Once you get to the Krita settings menu on the Krita title bar, take a moment and scroll down to Docker. Hovering over Docker will give you a very important side menu. If for some reason you're not seeing something in your workspace you would expect or would want to, look in this Krita Docker menu, try to find it, and if you find it, place a check mark in its box, and it will appear on your workspace. To remove a function from your workspace, remove the check mark. In the Help menu, this is where you can find and view the version of Krita and a lot of other useful information. There are many other things you could review within Krita in order to get to know Krita, but I think you get the point by now. I hope you have enjoyed this Krita tutorial on getting to know Krita and found it helpful in some fashion, and if so, then why not give this video a like? And while you're at it, why not become a subscriber, ringing the bell in order to be notified your way of newly released videos. I mean, after all, ladies and gentlemen, it is free. The beginning and the end of this video has been provided by none other than Alex Abayu 1. Thank you in advance. I am out.